Hello everyone, welcome back to Placements Nepal, your ultimate destination for job opportunities in Nepal. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on exciting career prospects like this one. Now let's dive right into today's job vacancy. Are you a programmer at heart, driven by a passion for technology? Do you dream of working on a high-tech global IT application that impacts people worldwide? Well, you are in luck. Today we are thrilled to introduce to an incredible job opportunity. As a software engineer at Bookmundi, Nepal, you will have a crucial role in shaping the future of travel technology. Here are some key responsibilities you will be handling: developing cutting-edge software solutions by analyzing information needs, collaborating with users and studying system flows, evaluating operational feasibility and proposing solutions based on analysis and requirements, managing multiple facets of projects and juggling multiple responsibilities effectively, making informed decisions swiftly and taking ownership of services and applications at scale, collaborating with team members to achieve common goals, being persistent and creative problem solver, staying calm and effective even in high pressure situations, staying updated with the latest development practices and being passionate about open source technologies, understanding business needs and creating the tools to manage them effectively. Now let's talk about what you will need to qualify for this incredible opportunity. Bookmundi Nepal is looking for a talented software engineer with the following skill sets. A bachelor's or master's degree in computer science is preferred. A minimum of 2+ years of professional experience. Proficiency in PHP or Node.js and MySQL. Experience working in agile development environment. Ability to build complex web systems and applications. Focus on performance and good understanding of design patterns. Experience implementing and consuming large-scale web services. Experiences with queues and messages brokers is a plus. Familiarity with microservices architecture is a plus. Knowledge of Docker will be advantageous. And regarding the personal qualifications, eagerness and willingness to learn new technologies, a strong team player with excellent collaboration skills, effective tasks, prioritization abilities, strong analytical capabilities, proactive and an initiator, a keen sense of quality in the work, outstanding oral, written and interpersonal communication skills. So, if you want to apply for this job, I have provided the link to apply to this job in the description below. Click on that, you will come to this interface. This is an easy apply, Your details will automatically paste from the link. If you are not given the details, fill the details and submit. If you get selected, then they will revert back to you the same email ID that you have given here. That wraps up today's exciting job opportunity at Bookmundi Nepal for the position of software engineer. If this sounds like the perfect match for you, don't hesitate to apply. The future of travel And remember, if you found this video informative and inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to Placements Nepal for more job opportunities like this. Until next time, stay motivated, keep chasing those dreams. Good luck.